This is the ASSA Twin 2. The key works. Yes, it does. Let's try to pick this. Check the sidebar now. Looks good. And there we go. Yeah, it was kind of a struggle because I didn't pick the main stack properly and jumped to sidebar, but luckily I recovered somehow, but it was kind of sketchy. Alright, let's get this lock and see what's inside. Right. So the C-clip is removed because it was really difficult for me to remove it, and yeah, so that thing is gone, and the wording is not what it used to be from all of the picking, so the key doesn't operate that smooth, but it still works. Okay, so let's dump the sidebar and the sidebar springs. There's one, and there's two. Come on. All right. Okay, remove the key pins. One, two, three, four, five, and six. Okay. We can take a look at the finger pins and the through gates. Well, as you all know, the code to the sidebar is in the sidebar itself. Okay, so let's remove the finger pins now. One, two, three, four, five, and the springs. Three. There's the last one. Okay, so the core is free. One look at the countermilling. There it is. And let's remove the driver pins. Six, and the springs, there they are. All right, so let's take a closer look at the elements. This is the finger pin and the through gate is visible, and the false gates as well. As you can see, they are kind of shallow, so if you compare this to something like a Twin 6K, it's really different, because the Twin 6K has much deeper false gates. This is the part that sticks out in the keyway, so the design is a bit different than in other Twins. It's kind of like a shoulder, I guess. ASSA barrel spools are the drivers that interact with the countermilling. The key pins, well, they are just key pins. Nothing particularly interesting in here. There's the sidebar slot, but that's all, I guess. And I already showed the core. So yeah, and the sidebar. Here it is, and this is the way it interacts with the finger pins. There it is, like this. False gate, click, through gate. Alright, so that's it for today. I'm not too satisfied with this pick because it was kind of sketchy, but an open is an open, so I'm happy about that. One more close-up at the pins. Focus. Finger pins, drivers, key pins, sidebar and the springs from the sidebar and the finger pins, the Bible and the core. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you later.